Hello, second grade. Your drawing activity this week is going to focus on March 23rd, National Puppy Day. And I figured since it's National Puppy Day on the 23rd, we would draw a puppy. So your picture is going to turn out something like this one, or maybe like this one. And of course, you can always make it your own, however you choose. So to start, you'll need a blank piece of paper and something to write with. The cool part about this picture is that it's going to start with a letter, and that letter is actually the first letter of the word puppy. So to start your picture, you're going to draw a capital letter P. Once you have the P drawn, you're going to then draw a big circle right next to it. Then you're going to draw a curved line like that and a curved line like that. We used overlap there, just like the apples in the Cezanne project when we did a still life. Now we're going to give our puppy a couple eyes, and we're going to put a circle here that I'll tell you about in just a little bit. So far, it doesn't look too much like a puppy. So we've got to add some puppy characteristics. One being a big floppy ear. So to draw that, we're just going to make a big letter U, like that, and try and make it come up and be a little bit smaller here than it is down here. Next thing I'm going to do is give my puppy a nice smile. He's happy it's National Puppy Day. So I'm going to make a curved line like that and another small one like that to give him a chubby little puppy cheek. I don't want him to be just smiling. I want to give him a huge happy face. So the next thing I'm going to do is come down like this and over and stop. Now I'm going to make a curved line like this for his tongue and a short line like that. Before we go on any further, I'm going to give you some time to catch up, and I'm going to color the pupils, the nose, and inside the mouth, right here. When you color the nose, you want to leave that spot I told you I would clue you in on later, and that's just a little reflection to give our puppy nose a shiny spot. Now that I've filled the nose in almost, we're going to give it a few more details. Next thing we're going to do is just make a line that comes from underneath the nose like that and give it some little dots there. I'm going to outline the drawing here and also give just a small little line on his tongue. To finish the dog, we're going to go from this eyeball and come around all the way back to the bottom of our letter P. You can see this dog is quite chubby. Now I'm going to make a dog tail. You can see in my other drawings that I'm going to include in the assignment that I did a pointy tail, a fluffy tail. So now what I think I'm going to do is make kind of a puffy tail like that, okay? I like to put lines like this to make it look like our puppy is wagging his tail. If you want to do that, go right ahead. If you don't, that's fine too. So I'm just going back and darkening my lines here. Give you some time to catch up if you haven't already. So lastly, the thing we need to include, which is very important, is of course our puppy's legs. To draw the leg, you're going to go down, over, and up. Leave a space and then go down, over, and up. You're going to make some curved lines like the letter C on both of your legs. And that will give your little puppy some toes. And then, of course, to give your puppy his other legs, we're going to start at the bottom of this leg, go up, and then right here we're going to go over and up. And do the same thing here, over and up. Now I'm just going to curve and curve. I like to add a little bit of a shadow underneath the back legs. If that's not something you feel like doing, you don't have to do that. And there you have it. There is your puppy. My other drawings, you can see I have added a bowl of food for Ruff and Fido. I've also added spots. That's something that you can do if you'd like to, but it's not required, okay? You can make your puppy however you'd like. To draw the bowl of food, if you're interested, you will make a cloud shape like this, and then include just some small little half circle lines within that cloud shape. Then what I like to do is make a curved line like this that goes around, almost like the ring on a planet. Now I have the food, I'm just going to go down, and then curve it again. Now you've got plenty of room to give your dog a name. You can also color in the food. I hope you guys enjoyed this lesson, and don't forget to celebrate National Puppy Day on the 23rd. Bye!